5 years, 2 months, and 16 days ago, I started seriously posting how to do it yourself drywall, teaching you as many things as I could in under a minute. And throughout this time, I noticed two types of people that were watching my content. There were the 90% of people that were watching it for the sake of entertainment purposes, where I had to make the video interesting for people that aren't interested in drywall to watch. The other type of people that were watching the content were people that were serious about learning how to drywall. These were the homeowners, the handymen, the business owners, just anybody wanted to get a little bit more information. People that wanted to simply patch a hole in the wall. But you can kind of see how this gets a bit, foggy for me. And that's bad. So I started getting messages. This was your message, this is your message. These were all your messages of you asking me the same thing. And that thing was for me to create a dedicated platform where I train you guys, where I take this how to very seriously for the people that are serious about how to drywall. So I created a platform called Do It Yourself Drywall Training by Unique Plaster, where I don't hold anything back, teaching you guys everything I've learned over the last 8 years. Just everything out of my head, put it on there and make sure that you know how to drywall, where you won't have to hire anybody if you have the time to do it yourself. You understand what I'm saying? And this is what happened when I created the website. And I didn't know this until I created the website. The website that I created costs me $500 each month, whether you buy the training or not. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. I also gotta pay editors, videographers, because I'm posting so many videos and shooting so many videos that I actually can't edit these videos on my own. It's gonna take years for me to put this information out of my head into videos if I'm doing it by myself. So I had to charge and I felt bad about that. I thought about ways I can make this less shitty for you guys. There's two choices. So I contacted brands that I've worked with in the past, two manufacturers that I have a relationship with, to see if they wanna work with me on this little situation of mine. And we came up with this idea. Each month, at the end of the month, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway to the people that sign up. If you have signed up, you are instantly in the draw to win a tool that I'm gonna be giving away each month. So I'm gonna get a bucket out, and if I pull out your name, you, my friend, just won a tool that could be worth $500 or $3,000 or more. But I'm also gonna teach you how to use that tool, and then you can do whatever you want with it. You can either sell it and get the money you used to buy the training, therefore you got the training for free, or continue using it and make your life a lot easier. But it gets better than that. Click on the link in the description below and get started. And if you start within these 30 days from now, you're gonna get a massive discount if you use the code EARLY. Put that in the coupon section, EARLY. You get 40% off, half price, $200 off if you sign up today. But it gets better than that. I'm not really much of a financial politic kind of guy, but I understand that the inflation is crazy right now. I personally buy eggs from time to time and many other products to survive in the world today. As a human being, I gotta eat too. Inflation is crazy. Eggs used to cost $2, now they're costing me $7. I can't afford that kind of money right now. You know what I'm saying? $7 for eggs, you're better off buying a whole chicken. So I thought about ways I can make this less messed up, and I came up with this. If you click on become an affiliator on the link, you're gonna go through all the necessary steps, fill in your information, and you're gonna get a unique link. With this link, you can share it with a family member or a friend or somebody you think is going to need this training that I'm gonna be teaching you guys. I heard the word teaching because I didn't really like school that much. I'm more of your friend because I'm trying to help you out. So person buys the training using your link, you make 100 to 150 US. Now if you're in Australia, that's $230 in your bank account. You just made money. That's what people call passive income. But then the person that purchases the training is gonna benefit because the information I'm giving out is crazy. Literally everything I've learned over the last 8 years. Or you can make just enough to purchase the training, therefore you got the free training, and therefore you're in the draw to win the free tool I'm gonna be giving away. And therefore, you see where I'm going? I've made it easier for you guys to purchase the training in many different ways. You don't even need to have the money up front. You get where I'm going? So click on the link in the description below, get started today, and once I release it, if you're the only person that purchased the training, you are the winner of the free tool I'm gonna be giving away. No doubt, I'll ship it to you. You won't have to pay a single cent. I'll make sure it gets delivered to your door, and you're gonna know how to use that tool too. You have a beautiful day, beautiful morning, beautiful evening, beautiful afternoon. I don't know where you are, bro, but wherever you are, have a fantastic day, my G. It's like a movie, bro. There's like scenes and shit that come. Link in the description. Watch.